Hi, my name is Bridget Kelly. I'm a physician assistant for Dr. Armando Soto. I'm here today to talk a little bit about different procedures that men are commonly interested in doing. A lot of times people will come in and ask me, do you see a lot of men? And the truth is, yes, we see more and more men all the time. Men are usually looking for non-invasive type procedures where they don't need to take a lot of time off of work, or no one really necessarily needs to know that they had anything done. So of course, one of those procedures is Botox and fillers. Those are usually things that men and women can have done in a day and go back to work the next day, and the result is usually quite natural and occurs over a period of time. So it's not like they go into work one day looking one way and come back the next day looking completely different. So, and again, it's a short amount of time that it takes to do the procedure, and they can get right back into their normal daily routine. Another common procedure that I perform for men is cool sculpting. A lot of men don't want the downtime of liposuction. They work out and they take care of themselves, but they have difficult areas where, it's just hard to target, and they want to improve those areas, but they don't want to have to take off of work and wear the garments and have time off of exercising. So cool sculpting is a very effective, non-invasive way to basically gradually break down that fat. It is a permanent option, so it's just as good as liposuction in that way. And again, something that is not very painful with very little amounts of downtime. Another common procedure that men do is mirror dry. That's probably at this point 50-50 for me compared to men versus women. And that is a procedure that, again, non-invasively or minimally invasively takes care of underarm sweating. For people who have this issue, it can be quite debilitating, where you can only wear certain colors of clothing or have to change your shirt multiple times throughout the day. So especially for professional men who are giving presentations or in the public eye, this is something that can be very socially unacceptable for them. Another treatment that men often come in for is Ultherapy. Ultherapy is a non-invasive treatment that uses ultrasound to actually lift the tissues of the brow, neck, and chest. This is a treatment that can be done one day, and again, patients can return back to work the next day with no outward signs that they've had treatment done. It's a procedure that takes about 3 to 6 months to see your complete improvement. So again, it happens gradually and naturally over time. So it gives patients a smoother jawline and a more lifted appearance without actually having to undergo surgery or have hard to hide scars or incisions. So it's often a treatment of choice for men.